it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we've got an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So yes, we've got an unboxing of July's secret scent box. Secret scent box is a fragrance subscription box that lets us try 3 different designer fragrances each month and you get enough fragrance to last you the entire month. It's fab. It's one of the best ways of trying new fragrances. So first things first, it comes in a little letterbox friendly box. Perfect, so you don't have to worry about being in. That's amazing. Or just answering the door if you don't fancy that. Nobody likes answering the door. Okay, so it's a subscription box. You can subscribe for just a month at a time, which will cost you £15 per month. If you want to subscribe for 6 months at a time, it works out £14 per month. Or if you want to subscribe for 12 months at a time, it will cost you just £13 a month. So let's open the box then. So like I say, letterbox friendly box. And then inside, it's always lovely presented in this nice black little box. Always make good gifts as well if you know anybody who's into their fragrances. So inside the box, we get a little card that tells us it's a July edition for her. There is a for him box also, but obviously I got the ladies box. They do kindly send me this each month. So, and then inside we get some little information cards about each of the fragrances, and then we have our fragrances themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'll read you the information on the cards, give them a little spritz, and let you know what I think of the scents. Firstly then, we have a fragrance from a brand I've never heard of, I think. It's Lalique. Lalique? I think it's Lalique. Lalique. I haven't heard of it. I do apologise for being ignorant. I am not particularly up on my fragrances. This is how I learn, through these boxes. So it's a fragrance called Satin. It is an intensely modern and seductive perfume from Lalique with the radiance of opulent jasmine or jasmine pearls, gardenia and sunny heliotrope. It has top notes of gardenia, jasmine and heliotrope with middle notes of tonka beans, vanilla and pink pepper. Ooh, they sound very me. And base notes of sandalwood, patchouli and vetiver. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little spritz and let you know what I think. I like that. It's quite subtle. I was expecting it to be more floral than it is. It's almost not necessarily musky, but not as floral as I was expecting. It's nice though. I do like it because I don't like ones that are too in your face, floral or fruity, but it's nice, very nice. Okay, the next one is from Calvin Klein, heard of that brand, and it is their Euphoria Blush. It is a brand new, a fresh and intoxicating, a fruity floral scent with sensual nuances in the background. It is developed by perfumers Jean-Marc Chalien and Yves Cassel. And it has top notes of raspberry, pink pepper and blackberries, middle notes of rose, orchid and jasmine, with base notes of chocolate, patchouli and cashmere wood. Okay, let's give that a little sniff a dip. Ooh, that's quite a fruity scent. Yeah, it's mostly fruity with then a hint of floral behind it. It's nice, it's nice. It's like a good summer scent, I suppose. They're very fruity. So our final fragrance in this month's box is from Paco Rabanne, and it is Calandre, and it is an experimental, intense rose floral fragrance with bergamot sparkles in the ultra fresh perfume that makes your skin tingle. Ooh. So it has top notes of aldehydes, green notes and bergamot, with middle notes of orris, jasmine, lily and rose, with base notes of sandalwood, musk, amber and oak moss. So sounds like a floral scent. Ooh, I quite like that. Yes, there's like a floral muskiness to it, but it's quite a nice feminine scent. Just gonna give it another little. Yeah, quite like it. It's very like fresh kind of floral. Probably like a good daytime wear, if that makes any sense. I know I'm probably hopeless at describing fragrances. It's not my main job. But I do my best. I'm just the everyday person trying these things. Okay, so that is the July edition of the Secret Scent Box. Let me know what you think. Have you subscribed to any boxes like this before? Are you a fragrance fan? Have you tried any of these? Please let me know what you think. I do genuinely like these subscription boxes because it's a way of trying new fragrances. I have gone on to buy fragrances I've tried in this box. I think fragrances are well, it's a personal thing, I suppose. Everybody's different. And with fragrances, I often find that I like to wear them a little bit to try them before I know if I want to obviously buy the big bottle, because some of them can be pretty pricey. So something like this is very handy for someone like me. It's also a great little gift if you know anybody that loves fragrances. So guys, that is this month's Secret Scent Box. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. If you have, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings of these often. I've got a Look Fantastic that I unbox every month, a glossy box, which is often late. I haven't had my dispatch email at all yet, and I got an email saying it's running late, so fingers crossed that actually arrives. And yeah, various other bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel, you'll get the idea. Anyway, until next time guys, take care and just have a great time, and see you later. Bye.